given quadratic expression is fx is equal to 3 times x plus 1 whole square minus 12. So A part is show that f of x is equal to 3x square plus 6x minus 9, which means we need to simplify. So first open the square, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1 minus 12. So that is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 3 minus 12, and that is equal to 3x square plus 6x minus 9. So that's the simplification, and that's of 2 marks. Now the B part is for the graph of f, write in the coordinates of the vertex. So x coordinate of the vertex is given by the axis of symmetry. So let's find axis of symmetry by this formula, minus b upon 2a. So minus 6 divided by 2 into 3, that is equal to negative 1. So when we substitute x is equal to negative 1 in this equation, what will get? 3 minus 6, that is negative 3, so y will be equal to negative 12. So therefore coordinates of the vertex negative 1, negative 12. So this information will be helpful for sketching the graph in the later part. Now C part. C part is write down the y-intercept. Y-intercept is that point where the curve crosses the y-axis, and at y-axis x coordinate is 0. So when I put x is equal to 0 in this equation number 1, put x is equal to 0 in A part, y will be equal to negative 9. So therefore y-intercept is 0, negative 9. D part. We need to find both the intercepts. So for both x-intercepts means where y is 0. So we will solve for, we can solve f of x is equal to 0. So what is f of x? 3x square plus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. As it is paper 1, so you cannot use CDC for this equation if you are MAA student, and if you are MAI you can directly use GDC and solve, or else you can factorize or use quadratic formula. So you can take 3 common, x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So that implies factors will be x plus 3 into x minus 1 equal to 0. That implies either x is equal to negative 3 or x is equal to 1. So therefore we have negative 3, 0 and 1, 0 as x-intercepts. Actually this is B1 part, B second part, and this one is B third part. Now we move to C part. Draw x-axis, then draw y-axis, show x-intercept, x-intercepts, y-intercept, and line of symmetry. As the coefficient of x square is positive, so curve will open upwards, and we can show x negative 1, negative 12, 0, negative 9, 1, 0. Important features, negative 3, 0. So that's the sketch, and that's of 3 marks. So mark 1 will be for parabola opening upward, and 1 for the vertex for correct position, and 1 for intercepts, approximately correct position.